What's up? I'm Louie, or LubestheDude, and today I want to be increasing the value of my car with a single can of spray paint. So if we walk out to my car, you can see next to the sunroof there's this fiberglass lip, and right now it's exposed and it looks ugly and it hurts your arms if you lean up against it. So that's what we want to paint today. I forgot they don't have masking paint tape, so we gotta go get that real quick. Bag secured. Okay, so now we have our masking tape. So the first thing I want to do before I mask it off is I want to clean this off. You probably can't see it on camera. There's a bunch of little tiny like junk all over it that will make it so the tape won't stick to it, and I don't want to get black paint on my sunroof. So we're gonna wipe it off, then I'll get to masking. Let's do it. So this is the most tedious part of any paint job, and it is by far the most important in my opinion, because if you mess this up, you get a bad result and you can mess a lot of other things up. So take your time masking. Like I said, this process is very time consuming. This took 8 minutes, I'm only halfway done, and then I still have to clean up the edges and do the rest of the top of the car. If you're doing this, I highly recommend you get earbuds or a speaker and listen to what you want to listen to. My speaker and earbuds are dead, so I'm out here. All I want to do is listen to Kendrick's new album, but I'm doing all this in silence for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that. I don't know, I'll pick up from there. My car is completely masked off now, so I'm good to go ahead and start painting. So I feel like a complete idiot. I forgot to sand what I'm spray painting, so there's all these little flakes of fiberglass sticking up that I need to sand and then paint again. So yeah.
I don't think it's gonna work out anymore. I'm sorry.
Wait.
Take two. It's done.
Crazy DDR at the show. How that feel funk that loud, cause we smoking that joint. Baby, live it up, live it up, live it up, let's live it up.
Alright, we're done. Obviously it's not perfect. I'm a 16-year-old with a rattlecan. So, you know, there's still some stuff wrong with it. I would have liked it if I had some sealer like Bondo or something to fill in all the little gaps. But I like the way it looks. It looks a lot better than it did before. And yeah, now I no longer have that problem. I can safely touch it, move my hand across it. I'm still gonna be a little paranoid, but you know what, it's fine. It looks good, I like it, it's done. So yeah. And with that being said, I think that's the end of today's video. So I'll see you next time. You can follow me on all platforms at LubestheDude. But until then, like the video, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed it. There is a cat in my car.